Namaste everyone. Do you know what is yoga, where it is originated from, and what is the history of yoga? If you don't know, in today's video we are gonna discuss about all these things. But before starting this video, I would like to wish you all a very happy International Yoga Day. So the first question that rises in my mind is, what is yoga? Yoga is a process in which man tries to bring his mind, body and soul together. योगा इज अ संस्कृत वर्ड जिसका मीनिंग होता है टू मीट और टू बी यूनाइट. इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट द ओरिजिन ऑफ योगा, तो ये हम सब इंडियंस के लिए एक बहुत ही प्राउड की बात है दैट द origin of yoga is from Indian culture. People practicing yoga in India about 5000 years ago, but it was महर्षि पतंजलि जिन्होंने योगा के बारे में सभी को इंट्रोड्यूस कराया. In yoga, people tries to control their body and mind through mental focus and breathing method. If we talk about the teacher of yoga, so this is a very interesting thing that if a man teaches yoga, he is called yogi, whereas if a woman teaches yoga, she is called yogini. अगर बात करें योगा के फर्स्ट रिटन एविडेंस के बारे में, तो द फर्स्ट रिटन एविडेंस ऑफ योगा was taken from the book that is known as योगा सूत्रा. योगा सूत्रा बुक ही वो पहली बुक है जिसमें हमें योगा के पहले रिटन एविडेंस मिले थे. There are a lot of methods have been conveyed about how someone can control their mind, emotion and merge into spirituality in this book. There are total 6 branches of yoga that are introduced in this book. These 6 branches are Hatha Yoga, Raja Yoga, Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Jana Yoga and Tantra Yoga. Firstly, इंटरनेशनल योगा डे बनाने का आइडिया दिया था हमारे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने. एक यूएन कॉन्फ्रेंस में 2014 में नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने ये आइडिया दिया था एंड द फर्स्ट इंटरनेशनल योगा डे वाज सेलिब्रेटेड इन 2015 एंड इन प्रेजेंट टाइम वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग 9th इंटरनेशनल योगा डे. और इस बार 9th इंटरनेशनल योगा डे जो हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं उसकी थीम है योगा फॉर वसुदेव कुटुंबकम दैट रिप्रेजेंट्स वन अर्थ, वन फैमिली एंड वन फ्यूचर. Every year, 21st June is celebrated as International Yoga Day to raise awareness about numerous benefits of yoga and promotes its holistic approach to physical, mental and spiritual well-being. The 9th celebration were held at Indian Embassy in Kuwait on 21st of June. That's all for today. I would like to finish with these words. Yoga is the journey of the self to the self throughout the self. Happy International Yoga Day 2023. Thank you so much for watching the video.